Bayti Real Estate is delighted to offer this office space in the Galadari Building 16 located in Dubai Production City. At 3,649 square feet, this space is offered as semi-fitted with 2 pantries and washrooms attached, having all the amenities required to create a comfortable working environment. Dubai Production City has direct access to Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Road, making it a great location for businesses. To arrange a viewing, please contact me on the details provided in the description.